In a deep dive into how President Donald Trump is using his legal team less for lawyerly maneuvering, and more for rable-rousing appeal to the public via cable. TV appearances, Politico took a look at Trump's shadow lawyers, Joseph DiGenova and Victoria Toensing went on the Trump payroll, but do is bidding nonetheless. According to the report, DiGenova, a former federal prosecutor and his wife Toensing, have become two of Trump's most vociferous defenders, rivaling even former New York City Mayor Rudy Giuliani, who reportedly lofted at how many times I have appeared on TV, to try and undercut special counsel Robert Mueller's investigation. In an interview, Giuliani, who has an issue appearing on TVA, a Trump advocate, admitted that Trump speaks with DiGenova constantly for legal advice and strategy. Even though the former prospector wasn't formally brought into the Trump inner legal circle because the president was reportedly displeased with how disheveled the husband and wife appeared. Call 4 or 5 people like Joe and say, "What do you think? So-and-so says this." Who was right? Giuliani explained. While the couple described themselves as playing the role of lawyers on television and in real life for Trump, outsiders say their job is to lie and throw out conspiracy theories admitted to Trump's Fox News-obsessed base. During a recent CNN appearance, Toensing called former FBI Director James Comey, and former federal prosecutor Patrick Fitzgerald, who convicted the now-pardoned Scooter Libby, two of the most despicable, despiced, unethical prosecutors to ever come down, that turned a rebuke from former federal prosecutor Renato Mariotti, who worked under Fitzgerald, who complained, "She said so many lies and demonstrable statements that you could easily look up and defend are false. It was hard for me to sit through that segment, to be very frank with you," with the couple repeatedly calling Mueller's investigation into Russian collusion in the 2016 presidential campaign and a desire to sit down with the president a brazen plot to frame Donald Trump. Long-time observers of the two say it is no surprise as their current shtick is trading in conspiracy theories. According to former Watergate counsel Philip Lacovara, who was also a former law partner of Toensing, her husband, US to be more mainstream, but the ensuing decade has shown a bizarre tendency to spot demonic conspirator lurking behind every bush, working for Trump. The couple have also gone after Rep. Tregodi, RSC, for dismissing Trump's Spygate complaint, and Assistant Attorney General Rod Rosenstein, saying, "The Deputy Attorney General today disqualified himself from continued service in the Department of Justice, because they wouldn't allow Republicans sympathetic to Trump to review sensitive documents that are part of the Mueller investigation." Appearing on Fox News, DiGenova said of Rosenstein, "Jeff Sessions now has an absolute responsibility to call him into his office, berate him for saying that constitutional oversight is extortion. That statement by a constitutional officer like Rod Rosenstein is disgraceful. It's an embarrassment to the department," while legal experts say the couple on top to snuff when it comes to the complexity of the spiraling legal case against Trump, with its constitutional overtone. Their conspiracy mongering is effective. Legally is DiGenova, a middleweight, explained